Good morning to everyone. This is the power of healing with Utabi. Ungowekhetelo. It is 5:48 a.m. on Sunday morning. Yeah, ngiceda ukuvuka. The reason why I'm making this video, angazi ukuthi i-message kabani lene, guys, and also the reason why I'm making this video is because lo muntu le ntombazane engizokhuluma ngaye channeled by herself without disguising herself. So angazi ufuna ukureach out to ubani. So the past few days, guys, last week bengise Wednesday bengisesibhedlela, and a spirit channeled through because she's unsettled. Akusukudala hambile emhlabeni and worried ngabantwana bakhe. So lesikhathi ngihleli ngilindile like in a queue, she channeled. I tried so hard to avoid it because bengixoxa kanti ngixoxa nomamncane wakhe. I tried so hard ukuzibamba, guys, but I couldn't. I was actually getting nauseous. So ngagcine-ke ngimtshela umamncane wakhe ukuthi okay, fine, this is what's happening to me. I need to, can I read you? And wavuma because vele we had a long conversation about basically what I do. So ngamtshela-ke lo mlayezo kufanele ukuthi ngimtshele wona. Yeah, so angazi ngishintshela iphi igiya because spirits who are unsettled seem to be channeling through more now. So angazi ukuthi yiphi portal engiyivulile-ke this time. But-ke anyway, yesterday I had a consultation, and in a consultation a relative was channeled through just to give the explanation ukuthi udlule kanjani emhlabeni, ne, which angithi fanele mina ngikutshele lento umuntu aziveza ngayo and aziveza ngakhona. And one thing about a spirit that's channeling through, usually bazo-channela if there's somebody close, mhlambe eduze kwami or ngithumele kulowo muntu, but there has to be a presence. But why am I sharing this dream is because this is a dream that happened this morning between the time of 3 and 5, njoba ngivuka ngabo 5:30. And also usually a spirit will describe in a dream angavela mhlambe with a familiar face, you understand? So lo uzizele yena awuye and ngizomdescribe, angidescribe ugqoke kanjani, describe everything that she showed to me, or ne, because angazi ukuthi fanele ubani and okufanele simsize. So maybe I'm seizing somebody out there. So yeah, so guys, I was taken in this dream. I was taken to a house. This house looks like a student accommodation, or it can be a house that umuntu wahamba wayohlala khona for studying, because it has something to do with being a student. Lento bekangibonisa yona or lento bekangifilisa yona. So lendlu lena, it's a big house. Njengomuntu bekehlala khona in that house, that also 2 to 3 other girls. No, so there's a lot of details that happened in between the dream, but ngifuna ukugxila specifically kule part yalo mntwana, right? So this spirit that channeled through is a girl. ukuma late teens from 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 ukuleyo age ne lo mntwana ozizele guys, and dark in complexion, not too dark but she's dark in complexion, slender. She came forth wearing ipijama ne, uyayibona le pijama yama-short nama-sleeveless shirt top, ama-sleeveless top lawa yi-stripe. It's in between red and maroon, the color, and yena uney'nwele ezingathi zilingana nezami ne, but zithrinywe kahle, but ziyi-afro like this, this length ne. She is not too tall, but she's tall but not too tall. Uyi-slender. Not futhi slender too slender, no. Uyi-slender nje esi-right, petite body. So lo mntwana mageza guys, the first time she came in the dream is when ngifika ngathi ngiyafika kuleyo ndlu le ngithi mina, it's either student accommodation or bekahlala khona as somebody ozohlalela ukuyofunda. And then the first time ngifika kule ndlu, the start of the dream, kuvele aqhamuke, yabona, makaqhamuka bese like ngiyambona bese athi kimi ungibona kanjani, because hayi man uyangibona ungibona kanjani, hayi yabona. And then that was it. And then engathi I'm going to tell these two girls, they feel familiar but angibazi labantu engihlala nabo ukuthi hayi man, this house is weird, this house it holds ama spirits, you understand. This house in a way iyapoka, you know how thina abantu abamnyama will put it like that, iyapoka. Okay, so ngibatshele labantu laba, but now over and above kube nezinto ezilibe zenzeka. Some of them I don't even remember, but there was a series. So a dream will take you to different parts, but ibuyele to or kube nale part important. Kunama key lento to iphupho, you understand? Key points that you have to take into consideration. Now senginaleyo feeling ukuthi hayi man, there's something wrong with this house, because I keep on seeing things. And then mase ku quiet futhi ngathi labantu laba bahambile or something, or baye esikolweni or something, because she took me to that phase of her life. Bese engathi ukwelinye iroom uzibheke esipilini, ngihleli phansi ngimbhekile, right, through umnyango, uvuliwe umnyango. Athi kimi usangibona, uyangibona ngempela? Ngithi mina ngiyakubona. Athi okay fine. She didn't give me her name. Athi so engathi as I feel somehow bese ngiyakhuleka, like ngiyambamba, ngiyamkhulekela and everything else. And then athi kimi, ithi ngikutshele ngihambe kanjani. It's okay. Athi bengiyilezi ey'thanda ukuthi ziphathe ukudla zikuthenge zifake efrijini, and so as angi-explainela kuvele, so she gives me the energy yalamantombazane ayi-2, right, ukuthi ngathi abantu bekehlala nabo. And besathi kimi bengilezi ethanda ukudla. One day ngiyafika ngizitshela ukuthi okay fine, ngizoyenza ukudla, like ngizoprepare ukudla bese ngiyadla. I did that, so, and I offered to these people food, but bona bathi abalambanga, and then ngadla mina. That's when things happened. And now as she's explaining, now impahla sekayigqokile. Remember when ngimbona bekafake this this pijama, now sekafake itop grey sort of like long tights white. You understand? Athi kimi being I think it could be impahla hamba ngazo or something. Bese athi kimi, so the pajamas, sorry guys, the pajamas, silk. I think it could be impahla bekayithanda, because sometimes the spirit will bring impahla bekayithanda, impahla ahamba agqokiswe zona, or impahla mhlambe there's questions on them. And the spirit will only channel when it's unsettled, because also there's questions about departure yakhe, or ukushona kwakhe, ukuhamba kwakhe. So, and then now athi kimi, or maybe ufuna i-closure naye, yeah, athi kimi, so ngakenza ukudla, ngadla, and then I never felt okay afterwards, meaning that waqala walunywa isisu, wagula. And the reason why she's not leaving that house is because wahambela lapho kuleyo ndlu, ne. So angazi ukuthi, and I'm even getting amalento, my body is changing as I'm explaining this, which is a validation ukuthi I'm on the right track. But anyway, so anginikeze lawo ma-details. So the spirit cannot basically leave that house because akazange alandwe, or there's still the spirit hasn't found closure until abantu bathola iqiniso. So that is why I'm making this video, guys. I angimazi lo mntwana, ne, and she didn't give me a sense of a relative I might know, or somebody I might know, or close to yena. So meaning that umuntu or who is a stranger to me. So yeah, that's the dream, guys. I woke up, ngivuswe alarm actually ka 5:30. Hence I'm making this video. So for me, this is important because usually, as I said, usually they channel mangiseduze kwabantu mhlambe aba close to them, or friends, or uyabona, or colleague, or but this time uzizele yena. Hence I mentioned. So yeah, hope it helps somebody somewhere. Yabo.